And the Pacman collection is available at Ulta.com as far as I could tell last night. And it did come in a boxed set. And I'm so glad. One of my friends, I call her Lulu, she told me that it was available early Sunday morning. And Ulta's pretty good about putting their stuff out like midnight the night before. Well, midnight. And it must have been, I don't know, maybe 7 o'clock in the morning. And I ran to the computer and I ordered it. And this was on Sunday. And it's $70 for the complete set, including the nail polishes, which I forgot to say last time. And it comes in a round box, and it's Pacman, And the brushes are adorable because I didn't realize they had the liquid in them. And so you have Pacman and the ghosts chasing each other. So it's a really cool collection. Some people don't like gimmicks. Like I said, my first day was Pacman. I left my husband in the dust. It is $70, and they also, so came out with some powder to cream. They call them snow melts, I think. That was Wet n Wild, and for some reason it's at Ulta. And Wet n Wild has not promoted this at all. Like I said, it was 70, and then you add the lip products. I think that brought it up to like 85, and I think I got a watermelon face mist because Mac came out with a watermelon face mist, and it's $16 for a small one, whereas I figured Ulta has like a bigger one, and it's a watermelon face mist. So I love watermelon. I love strawberry, watermelon. If I could afford Too Faced, I would get the Tutti Frutti collection. What I like about BYS is sometimes they make dupe collections. I think they have a tropical fruit, small little palette, I don't know, but just ordering from Australia is expensive, so I haven't done that. But, so I added that. I think it was like $10 for a bigger bottle. It brought it up to $95, and I got something else for $5, got it up to $100. And there's a 20% off coupon going right now at Ulta. And I'm so mad because I got so excited I forgot to add the coupon, and I could have got some more lipsticks from NYX. They came out the new lip lingerie lipsticks, not liquids, a lipstick. I could have added that for the 20%. I'm gonna call them up and see if they'll maybe give me a gift card or something for $20. It would have, that's what I would have gotten, and see if they do that, then I can get the NYX lipsticks, which will be at the Ulta stores on the 7th of June. So, 7th of July. Sorry, June is almost over. So, as soon as I get the Pacman collection, I will show it. And they said I should have it by next Monday. So that's cool. So, okay. So, you get up to 100 and you have 6 months to pay. I love it.